patience. As the name of that image, they are trying to be patient here. Look at that footwork, we are taking attention about putting on ASS. They are putting on light Kiteezi, taking on Team Gwanga, shine number 16 captain. One of the top players for Team High School, playing for that bonus point. She's looking for more points here, straight in here, trying to ready safe. Look at her, came understand. She's very talented. Allow me to come in.
Zarango Gemma, Captain Kabandi, Dynamic Secondary School, Namugongo Sonde, Bamukono Sonde. Akabadi kanene twakatandika guno omulundi zezino championship zetusoosemu okujjamu ssomero lyaffe era nze nganze apte nsuubira obuwanguzi nsuubira nti tugenda buwangula kubanga training terimba ate kochi waffe.
My name is Makuya Ephraim Desire. I'm the Technical Director Kabandi Federation of Uganda. Today we are having our third edition of the Uganda National Kabandi Secondary School Championship. We are having 16 teams for the boys and 15 boys for the girls. We have started with some games. Boys are enjoying, girls are enjoying. This is Kabandi. Everyone is enjoying. We are having big games. We thank our sponsors for coming up with different kind of sponsorship. Some of them they have sponsored in kind, others they have sponsored by cash. So generally we thank them as a federation. Here we are, the sport is growing.
Quite a number of interesting upcoming events. Besides this, we have got Women African Championship, which is coming next month from 7th to 17th here in Uganda. Also, we shall be having the Uganda Corporate Kabaddi League here in Uganda. We shall be having inter-institutions championship, whereby universities will be part of that championship. And at the end of the year, we shall be winding up with the East African Secondary School Championship in December. Development project that is aimed at promoting talents at different levels, also at the secondary school level. At the same time, we are looking at the best players who will be joining our national team women, since we are having next month African Women Kabaddi Championship here in Uganda.
Academy edisangibwa ekibiina kyaffe mu competition engeri gye kiri kyefe defending champion okuva mu edition eyasooka eyokubiri tuze mu edition eyokusatu era nga twagala defendinga kikopo era nga ndi 10 ku kinaakyo tusobola okukizaayo era nga tugenda kukizaayo waka olw'ensonga nti nno tusobola tutrainiza ekimala n'okwekiririzaamu twonna okumala.